There are two ways that you can set up WordPress. You can go ahead and download the latest version and install it by uploading it to your web server. Or if you have a cPanel with a built-in WordPress application, you can go ahead and install it like that. And we'll take a look at using the latter to install it. So I'm on the GoDaddy system and I'm going to go ahead and use their built-in WordPress installation, and they are using the current version of 4.3.1, and I'm going to go ahead and just click the install this application, and this is going to set up WordPress for me on the domain, and it's going to set it up on the dhus.com domain name, and I'm going to leave the directory optional empty because I want to install it in the main directory, in the public HTML directory, and so I want to just install it in there directly. And I'm going to go ahead and accept this, and I can do the update to new minor versions and security releases. I can have that happen automatically. And I don't want to update the plugins. I'm going to leave all of the other things here as they are, and for the username I'm just going to use dhus, and I'm going to set up a password, and then everything else we will go ahead and leave the same. We can just do for the administrator password, we could just do admin@dhus.com, and I'm just going to call this my new blog. Welcome to my WordPress blog. Alright, so I'm not going to do two-factor authentications. I'm going to limit the login attempts, and I'm not going to do multi-sites, and then everything else I'm going to allow to happen automatically. So I'm just going to go ahead and click install. And this is going ahead and installing, copying, and setting up the database on MySQL for me, and it's pretty much doing everything that I would need to do myself. And once that is ready, I can go ahead and now click on the WordPress admin page, which is the WP admin, and it's already logged me in. So now that I'm logged in here into WordPress, that's all that it takes to install WordPress on cPanel through GoDaddy. So depending on what cPanel you're using, you might go through a few different steps to installing and getting WordPress set up. And in the next video, we're going to learn a little bit more about the dashboard and just how to use WordPress.